I'm excited to be sharing with you our journey of us first designing, then having a house built in the Philippines. It's been a long journey, the house is almost done. We've essentially got a shell of a house without any doors or windows. We're very happy with the progress we've made with this project. Building in the Philippines has been a real learning experience. The construction methods are very different to where I'm from in the UK, along with other Western countries. In the Philippines, there tends to be more manual labour, less machinery, and different building methods. Houses in the UK are designed to keep heat in, but of course the Philippines has a very different climate. Houses need to be designed to withstand natural calamities that are in the Philippines, as this country faces these issues on a regular basis, especially in this part of Bicol, with this part of the Philippines experiencing some of the world's strongest typhoons. I've also experienced some fairly strong earthquakes while being in Bicol. Areas in this province, along with other parts of the Philippines, can be prone to flooding.